How to get back your closed Cash App account if it has been suspended. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can get back your Cash App account if it has been suspended or closed. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to understand why it was closed. Cash App usually suspend or shut down an account due to the policy violation, failed identity verification, or fraud detection system. And you will also find an email from the Cash App explaining the reason for your account closure and how you can recover your funds. So follow that instructions and that may help you too. If that still does not help you, then you can directly contact the Cash App support via the application or directly call in their number, where you can search for the number in the internet. If you want to contact to the Cash App support, go to your profile, tap on support, go to the something else and follow the prompts to report your account closure, and that may also help you solve your problem. And even if your account remained closed and if you're not able to recover it, you will still need to access your balance. For that, Cash App will provide a way to withdraw your money. Then you have to expect the processing in 1 to 3 business days after linking a new bank or a card. So in that way also you could retrieve your fund. But if you cannot reopen the account, consider creating a new account and be aware that you do not provide any other previous information in your new account. Make sure to provide your fresh phone number, email, and a payment method. After that, prevent further account closures activities. Read and follow the terms of service properly and carefully. Use your accurate personal information and do not open multiple accounts under one identity. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.